Master of manifestation. That's what I be. 3 of them to God.
Sitting in the race. $100 million told you I'ma make it. Sitting in the race, yeah. $100 million told you I'ma make it. Sitting in the race. $100 million told you I'ma make it. Yeah, sitting in the race. $100 million told you I'ma make it, yeah. I wishing on a star, I had a premonition. When I moved to California, I began my mission to be the pinnacle of hope and determination. Proprietor and founder of the Organic Nation.
Have no fear. Mr. Organic from OrganicLifestyle.com is here.com. Grabbing on the way, boo. Bina, that's a good girl right there. They think good. Bina take on that good walk. I'm doing better walking my dog, taking on good walks and all that. Getting in my white man mode. Shout out to everybody in the Organic Nation. Can't forget the Organic Nation. G Squad, of course, G Squizzle. And the Gargoyle Gang, the gang. Bina, Gargoyle, sit. That's a big girl. Sit down. Good girl. Shake. Yeah, that's a girl. Hey, man, I'm on the move, man. About to go pick my Corvette up. My dog Slim handling some business, so I got to hop in a young Uber, man. You know what I'm saying? Which I rarely do, but you know, we gotta do to get to where we got to. How you have all these whips and you gotta get an Uber? Ain't that crazy? Man, that's okay. So I go pick up my Corvette, my baby back. Hopefully she's running better. I know she made a little noise with the whine. I think it was the idle pulley. Y'all know, I don't know all this car stuff, man. I'm just a nigga with the money, man. I'm just a black nigga with the money. Woo. Views of views. Is the view masterful or is the view magnificent? You pick, is it masterful or magnificent? You choose and I say, bitch, I don't know. Is the hat matching the shirt matching the hat? Man, God, make sure you go to OrganicLifestyle.com, get your merch, man. That's what I prefer you to do. Don't wear nobody else's stuff, man. You don't know these people. You don't know who these people is. You know Mr. Organic. Shout out to my homie, Mr. Skinny, too, man. I rock with you, dog. We got an interview that's going up tonight on this channel. Rock with him, man. Mr. Skinny, I see you, champ. Organic love for the sea. Appreciate everybody that's standing tall with the GOAT. Actually, the Ram. That's what I am. The Ram. The realest ever made. Speaking of being the Ram. Let me grab my own. Speaking of being a motherfucking Ram. Boom. You see the big Ram right there, man. Stop playing, but I do got the new merch, man. The best merch in the game, man. Boom. The realest ever made. Ram. That's me. Stop playing with me, man. Shout out to my dog. Who's that? Michael Home. You know what I'm saying? Give me an order of mad merch. Top of the Mook shirts. We got them in red and also black. Make sure you put in the notes which color you want, red or black. Of course, the new Gargoyle Status shirts to match the new fragrance I'm debuting soon. That's where that all connected like that. All the slides, of course, man. Come on, man. Get your slide pack, man. Stop playing. You don't gotta wear Nike slides and all. Man, Mr. Organic, that boy got his own products. I got everything. Let me get some love to some of my loyal and just legendary supporters. Who we got here, man? Jacaria Williams. Appreciate Jacaria. Who we got here, man? Alex Ford. Man, Alex, man, thank you, man. Supporting the campaign as you do. Who we got here? Antoine Wire. Man, Antoine. Hey, what's up, Tone? Man, rocking with you, brother. Who we got here, man? Adam, my dog Adam Runyon, man, listen to him. He been buying merch galore. I appreciate you from the seed, boy. You know what I'm saying? The campaign is strong. Who we got here? Mark Jeanette. Man, thank you. Thank you to all my people, man. We got Demetrius Freeling. Man, Demetrius. What, Cortez's Crenshaw? Man, what's up, brother? Keeping it pure, man. I'm just getting everybody. This is the packages from last night that I'm shipping out. Jeremy Hines. You know what I'm saying? This is all the stuff that's going out today. Other stuff over there I don't have the boxes for. I go to the post office and get, but other than that, man, I appreciate y'all. I'm just working hard, believing in myself. The Organic Seeds of Greatness book is on the way. All the products from the soap, sanitizer, lotion, man, get everything, man. You don't need to go. Listen, man, I'm a one-man Walmart, man. You understand me? What you do is, first and foremost, you get the sensational oil, the celestial oil, drip it in the beard, boom, one drip, boom, you get some of that beard sauce, organify the beard, boom, then you spray yourself with that Gargoyle Status cologne. And when I say I got my own cologne, man, don't think it's no game, man. This coming straight from Italy. You know what I'm saying? I picked out the scent and everything, hand-picked. Smelled with the own nostrils of the goat. You know what I'm saying? Of the ram. Come on, man. Bam. Come on, man. Ooh, I'm already getting goddamn aroused. Already getting stiff, ready to stuff in something. Ready to stuff it, man. Ready to stuff it in, man. Stuff it in. Anyway, man, hey, body wash. That boy got his own body wash. We don't need, I'm telling you, man, you don't need no Old Spice, none of that no more. You see the shower curtain? Pardon me. You know what I'm saying? But listen, Old Spice, I'm having Mr. Organic deodorant is coming. We already got the soap. When I get my teeth is done, shout out to my dog, Dr. Truth out there in Houston, the Truth Dentistry. Once I get my veneers, we come with that toothpaste and mouthwash, man. But now, if I'm hopping this Uber, what are you like 8? Damn, man, it's like a long time, man. Hopping this Uber, and then I'm gonna get on to what I gotta get on to. Shout out to Nipsey, shout out to my dog, tall guy. Gargoyle Gang, I got this up here for y'all, man. Nothing but love. Shout out to my dog, the real icon that made all these, man. You guys should get one of these right now, organiclifestyle.com. Gargoyle Gang, we going after new goals, man. You hear me? When it don't say going after new hoes, it's going after new goals, man. Goals before hoes. Damn, that boy. Genius, genius.
How black people really feel and how fed up we are without that old compromising sweet talk. Stop sweet talking. Tell him how you feel. Tell him what kind of hell you've been catching, and let him know that if he's not ready to clean his house up, if he's not ready to clean his house up, he shouldn't have a house. It should catch on fire and burn down.
So here we are. There goes Super Serena looking super. Looking hot as ever. We got full blown, man. Full blown, get your mind blown. Melly Mel, what's going on, brother? How you feeling?
You know, staying it in.
Pure.
Another day.
Damn right, another day, another dollar. You know what I mean? Trying to do it big in my 96 Impala.
Yeah, baby.
How's she doing now?
Oh, it's not making no more like noise. We let it run. We changed the belt and the tensioner, so
Okay.
I think it should be good.
Should be good to go? Good, I need her back, man. You know what I'm saying? I miss my girl, man. Sitting out here all hot. What's going on, brother? Talk to him, talk to the YouTube, nigga. Full blown performance, look at the camera, boy, I got it on your eyes.
Hey, don't watch the floor on me, you gotta watch the camera.
Oh yeah, look at the camera, brother. Yeah, shout out to your Instagram.
What's your Instagram?
Oh, you scared, you don't want people. Oh, you don't even into that stuff, huh? Tell them what yours is, Melly Mel.
Full male blonde blonde.
Come on, man.
Blonde blonde.
Blown. Hey, we do that too now. Don't think it just, you know what I mean? Cars and money. Oh, what's up, brother? Talk to him, champion. Okay, you got the Alfa Romero with the Maserati on the shirt.
Yeah,
you understand me? Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Due to the virus, man, they kicked me to the curb, but you know.
Oh, fuck
over here, put it
them.
down.
Oh, you independent now. You're gonna do it bigger and better. That was a blessing, brother.
Yeah, you know?
Damn right. You can't be working for the white man forever. They don't want you to be who you really want to be. And that's the king, who you is. Get your own bag. Straight up from the seed too. Watch how your shit do bigger and better being over here. Can't be working with them motherfuckers, got you drinking coffee and shit. Got oh, where you go over here? No, I don't want to do nothing. I want to sit here out in the sun, work, grind for my own shit. You know what I'm saying? That's what we doing, man. I appreciate y'all boys, man. Let me turn my girl back on, make sure she running right, man. Thank you. My guy Alex right there, full blown. Make sure you subscribe to your YouTube channel. Add him on Instagram. You got me together, man. We finna turn this thing back on. We're gonna see how it ride. We're gonna see how it sound. Full blown, man. We don't want halfway blown. We want that shit full blown, like I do your bitch, man. Every time I don't go halfway blown in that thing, I go full blown in it, man, in every orifices. You know what I'm saying? There's my dog Melly. Ooh, another Trackhawk in the building. Red on red move, huh? Came from New Jersey. Shout out to him, man. Alex, what we do to it? What we had to fix?
So we had to fix the idler pulley.
Yeah.
We replaced the belt. So that one has like a little kind of shock kind of to the idler pulley. So I think it wasn't absorbing it anymore. So replaced that. Got rid of the supercharger one.
Nice. We got that up out of there, man. And then I got to come back, dude, because we're going to get rid of that, the check engine light.
Yeah.
And then we're going to do some more stuff, too.
Software for it,
Yeah.
knock it out and clear that out.
For sure.
All
Yes,
right.
man. So if you need anything like this done, make sure you're kind of full blown, man. And not only just Hellcats, Trackhawks, and all the more part, they did that with my vet. So, and any other like car needs, man, any type of mechanical problems or anything like that. Look, they got a whole engine out. Come to full blown, man. They do it all, man. They get all this today shit, man. Big time legendary individuals. Fuck with me, fuck with Snoop, so you already know what it is, man. Make sure you're coming full blown. That Casey Durango over there, we ain't playing, man. So next time I turn this camera on, we back in the whip. We're gonna see how it rides, see how it feel. I think it should ride better. Y'all be the judge. Comment below and let me know. Bam. Yeah. Sit back. Appreciate it, Alex. I hit you up next week. Appreciate it, Mel. My guy. Yes, sir. Appreciate you guys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, for sure. Can you park that for me, man? Park my trunk.
Sure, homie.
I know you had to screw that thing up. Can you shut my trunk for me?
In this car.
Man, that's what she always say, man. You know what I mean? She always say that. You know what I'm saying? Oh, my truck pop. Can you push it down for me? But we in there, man. Shout out to my dog, Melly Mel. We up out of here, man. Thank you, man.
Hey, check in, like you never want to fix that?
Yeah, we're going to get it back next week. You're going to get the software. Sure. Yeah, thank you. All right, man. So, see that thing sounding way better already. Can I get this right? Can I get this left on? This is a good left on. Do it. Yeah, that thing. Yeah. That motherfucker got the good. Can I eat it for the side, baby? Or you want me to eat it for the back? Which way you want me to eat that thing? I don't hear no whine no more. Yeah, shout out to my guy, the full ready with the around everything is all in my way. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's Mr. Organic, that's who you see. You don't act like you don't tell. Out of y'all, man. Put it up on track mode, man. Put it on track. Put that thing on track mode. We're gonna get that check engine light off, but anyway, if y'all listening, let me turn this up. It's hot in this thing. Now, if y'all listening, no more wine, you know what I'm saying? No more like Rocky Idol. I have to get a little bit when I have to drive that thing. Come on, let me get over here, man. Thank you. Let me get over here, baby. Come on, move. Don't be rude. You know what I mean? So now you don't get no more idle, like shaking. You don't get no you don't got no supercharger wine sounding move. So that's what it was, man. Shout out to my guys, man. Get me together. Can I get them right there? Should I try? Gotta get them. Woo! Yeah. Sounded good. Full blown, baby. Is it full blown or is blown full? Don't matter. That's what it feels like, baby. Palm trees, sun shining on me. Got my own merchandise on. I'm positive. My skin looking magnificent thanks to my organic ooze. Make sure you go over there and get your skin right, man. Be positive, man. The organic seed of the day. What's the organic seed of the day, man? Prepare for the fuckery, man. Know what I mean? Prepare for the debauchery, man. Shit gonna get dark. I always remind you of that, man. But just like y'all gotta want and move in a positive manner, you gotta appreciate the darkness. You know what I'm saying? Because once you make it out the darkness, you're gonna appreciate the light. You know? Because it just feel like it get dark a lot more than it get light sometimes, but it's alright though. So when you do get those good lights and that good feeling, appreciate it, man. I appreciate having this Corvette, man. I appreciate living in Los Angeles. I appreciate having the Organic Nation and the Gargoyle Gang with me. I appreciate having the G Squad with me. I appreciate having Beautiful Woman Champ. I appreciate having my dog Slim and all my friends that really stay with me and believe in me from the seed. You know, all that shit means a lot to me. Without that, I wouldn't be as happy as I am, you know? So make sure you appreciate what you truly have in life, man. That's the organic seed. Forget that. I think I said something before about the darkness and all that. That's true. But matter of fact, the organic seed today is appreciation, man. Appreciate the things you do have. Appreciate the things you went through. You know what I mean? Appreciate the things that you didn't do. Appreciate the things that you didn't let happen to you. You know? Sometimes that's more than the things you have. Always concerned and worried about the next thing. That's fine. Chasing and going after the goals is very, very real. But just sit back and reflect and appreciate your blessings, man. Alright, so what I do is put the key up in there, man. Yeah, grab that motherfucking key. Yeah. Corvette, Hellcat, Wraith, Lambo truck. Just got the motherfucking surprise. Clickbait you, didn't I? That's my people though. But anyway, man, listen up. Corvette, Hellcat, Wraith, McLaren, Big Ram Reezy, Hellkeezy 2.0 is sitting at the where my people at? Full blown. So look at the whips, look at the ensembles, man. Acting big dumb. More to go, man. But I'm finna hop up in the whip in 2 seconds. About to go to the post office. So shout out to everybody that's named out, ordering the merch. I super appreciate y'all for that. Head to the post office right now. Next time you see me, I'll be back in the whip and to the post office, man. Hope y'all enjoying this vlog with me, just walking with me, talking with me, living life with the God, just keeping it pure, positive, and ferocious, man. Young old nigga himself, man. 3 of them came from nothing, made himself something, made it out the streets, worked a regular job. Then I got my freedom. Now I'm in the matrix. I'm outside of it though. I'm a glitch in the matrix. Live a different type of lifestyle that I built for myself. Hopefully y'all can do it too. That's why I'm giving y'all the organic seeds of greatness so y'all can do that. Keep it pure, keep it positive, help us wealth, take care of yourself. You see the orange. Yeah, what's going on, man? Motherfuckers. Let me see, man. It drew. I'm not fucking that damn shit, man. You bitch. But anyway, man, I'm living life, man. I'm living life for the seed. Damn.
Work hard, believe in something can happen. You know, always believe in manifestation. You know, call myself the master of manifestation. Almost everything I ever talked about, from monetary sum, from women to goals to bad, whatever I ever thought, I brought it to life. So I just want y'all to know it's very powerful when you use your mind the right way, and then you use your actions to follow. You know, so you gotta believe before becoming. I believe this shit, then I became it.
I love this dude.
Man, we up in there. 3 of them, man. Shout out your cousin on the vlog.
What?
Shout out your cousin on the vlog.
Chris Lenore.
There you go. Love, man. Shout out to Chris, man. You know what I mean? Organic love in the streets of LA, man. I appreciate y'all that pull up on me, give me that love, man. So if y'all catch me off guard sometimes, I'm a paranoid guy, man. A street guy. Came from a different background, so pardon me. But it's all love. It's like him, it was all love, middle of the street, man. I'm always get that to you if I'm on point. And I'm saying, and I'm not jittery about life, you know what I mean? There's a lot of things in my past, man. Gotta stay pure. All right, 3. And you got to end the video like this. Just gotta give it to y'all one time. And I'm out.
Whole lot of horses, whole lot of horses, whole lot of horses, whole lot of horses. SRT, supercharge me, supercharge me. 707, whole lot of horses, 10 years, whole lot of horses. Young Master E.